All right, what's up, guys? So, a very quick update. Just wanted to give you guys a practical heads up of how things work. So, in the previous slides, the whole time that I was recording the course, you all saw that I entered over here a short, and then my stop loss was above this order block. The market came down, hunted the stop loss of the people that are technical bookworms. Then the market tried going down again. Yet again, market spiked up, respected this order block. But this time, you see, if I show you something, let's just say you are a technical bookworm, you shorted this double top pattern, right, where your stop loss would be somewhere around here, right? What happened? The market went higher, took out the stop loss, and then now is going lower. But the thing that I wanted to share was a little bit more important is I have done some modifications into this position. What are the modifications? So basically, as many times the order block gets tested, the weaker it gets. So for example, let's just say there were 100,000 sellers over here. 100,000 sellers wanted to sell over here, but over here, let's just say 50,000 were able to sell. So what happens now? 50,000 are still waiting. So over here, let's just say 25 sold and then 25 sold. Now there are no sellers and this order block is basically useless. Remember, I'm just giving you an example. So the point is that the more an order block gets tested, the weaker it gets. So over here, what I did is I booked some partial profits in this position. So when the market dumped, and currently also I'm in a good profit because I shorted the market over here. I'm in a small profit right now, but however, I booked some of my profits at this particular level because now I know that this particular order block is getting weaker and I could be proven wrong. So now I have accepted a little bit of the profits that the market has been giving me, and now even if the stop loss hits, I will not lose much money because I have booked some profits and it's mostly equivalent to what I will lose over here. So I'll still be at break even. So the point over here is the more an order block gets tested, the weaker it gets. And as far as the SXP trade is concerned, if you can see over here, if you remember, I was selecting crypto. I was in the last session, what I was doing is I was trying to short SXP. It looked like a really good trade. So what I did was I shorted over here right after the 4-hour candle close, and you can see it's giving me a really nice profit right now. As far as I remember, currently it's 34% up. I'll attach the screenshot as well, and hopefully let's just say this goes well as well. One more thing I would like to say is that over here, if you can see, the risk reward ratio is just 1.5. So one thing I would like to say is that if your bias is really good, if you are really good at setting your biases, and if you're really good at this particular thing, so what you can do is you can sacrifice a little bit of risk to reward ratio, because once the bias factor is in your favor, the accuracy is out of the roof. So just like all of you guys, if you are in the Discord community, you might have seen that how the level of accuracy that I have with my trades, and the reason is simple, because I know how to shift my bias, I know how to form my bias, and that is the reason why my trades are so accurate. So if my accuracy is so good, I don't really need to worry about the risk reward ratio. But obviously, if you are a beginner, I would not advise this approach. I would always advise you to trade with a higher risk to reward ratio, minimum 2 or more than anything 2. And one last important thing from this live, I would say practical application, is that if you have taken this crypto trading course and you are not a member of our Discord community, please do join the Discord community, because you are going to miss out a lot of analysis and charts that I will be posting myself. So there will be a separate server for crypto traders that have taken up the crypto course in the Discord community. So definitely, if you are watching this, if you have not joined our Discord community yet, please do consider joining. I'll see you on the other side. Thank you so much. Bye bye.